What if tomorrow you wake up and realize you're literally the last man on Earth? Yep, the only dude left. Suddenly, every woman on the planet is lining up like it's Black Friday at the grocery store. But instead of TVs, they're after you. The ultimate last man standing reality show. But hold on. Can one guy really handle this cosmic madness? Spoiler alert, buckle up, it's going to get weird. Instant celebrity, but no autograph, please. Congrats, you just became the most wanted guy since sliced bread. Your phone's blowing up faster than a viral TikTok, except instead of dance challenges, it's "Will you save humanity?" texts. Every woman's suddenly pitching themselves like it's a bizarre talent show. Hey, I make a mean lasagna. I'm great at karaoke. I own a cactus. Meanwhile, you're stuck wondering if you can even survive a normal date without turning into a walking, talking, emotional piñata. Pressure? Just a tiny bit. Biology doesn't do one-man show. Here's the cold, hard truth. Biology's got rules, and you're the uninvited star of a science experiment. Human reproduction isn't just about, hey, let's make babies. Timing is everything. Women's fertility cycles are like a secret code you didn't get the memo about. And genetics? Oh boy. If every kid shares your genes, it's like playing Jenga with the future of humanity. One wrong move and the whole thing crashes. Diversity is the spice of life, and right now, you're the only spice. That's a lot of flavor for one dish. The ultimate reality drama. Imagine hundreds of women all competing for your attention. It's like Survivor meets The Bachelor, but with more glitter and zero rose ceremonies. Alliances form, rivalries spark, and suddenly, you're the reluctant host of the world's most awkward social experiment. Someone's baking you cookies, someone else is organizing flash mobs, and you're wondering if you should just hand out participation trophies. Managing that chaos? You'll need diplomacy skills sharper than a ninja's katana, or just a really, really fast getaway car. Emotions on a roller coaster. Being the last man isn't just a biology test. It's an emotional marathon. Imagine juggling feelings, guilt, jealousy, and loneliness all at once. Every no feels like a breakup. Every yes, a commitment that echoes into the future of humanity. And trust me, you don't want to be that guy who accidentally hurts a whole civilization's feelings. Fairness, respect, and consent? Non-negotiable, even when you're the last man on Earth. Spoiler, that's a lot of emotional weight for one dude. Reality check, it's not that simple. Let's get real. The idea that one man can single-handedly save humanity is about as realistic as surviving a zombie apocalypse armed with a spatula. Scientists say that for a healthy, thriving population, you need genetic diversity, meaning lots of men and women mixing their genes like a giant DNA smoothie. Without that, the future's pretty grim. So, while you might be the star player in this bizarre survival game, the real heroes are teamwork, diversity, and a sprinkle of luck. Conclusion, the bigger picture. So, being the last man on Earth sounds like an epic fantasy, a wild, chaotic ride full of attention and weird drama. But the truth? Saving humanity isn't about one guy's superpowers. It's about respect, collaboration, and a whole lot of teamwork. And honestly, being just one of many might actually be the best gig around. If this video made you smile, think, or even just pause and realize how important everyone is in the story of us, then mission accomplished. Because the future isn't about one last man standing, it's about all of us standing together. All right, now it's your turn. If you could watch one video that answers a weird, crazy, or deep question, what would that question be? Drop it in the comments below, and who knows, maybe your idea will be the next video. Humanity works better together.